Ollie Young. Okay, nice and clear. Ollie Young, sports therapist and personal trainer. The only thing is, yeah, I'd probably put your name in the title, like in your @ handle, because like training and treatment, I'm assuming that's the name of your business. But the only thing is that like that's not like a distinct name, so it's not very clear. I don't know. That's just kind of my observation from the outside looking in. Sports therapist, personal trainer, massage therapist. Okay, so you kind of got that you're a massage therapist here already, so you don't even really need this in a bio. Maybe I would keep this one, helping CrossFitters and gym goers recover and train harder. The only thing is, I'm not sure if we're doing online coaching, so I'm gonna not look at this from an online coaching lens, because if you're doing PT, you're online, it is what it is. But you got a link straight to Calendly, so I like that. I like that, straight to the point. But let's see what your Calendly is looking like. Okay, nice and clear. Boom. Press the link. You don't really have any problems here. I like everything. It's clear. You're posting content. The only thing is, I'm looking at this through the lens of online coaching, and the only confusion is that we're selling 2 different services on one page, and it can be a little bit confusing. Shout out to Optimum Nutrition. I don't know if I'd have this in the bio, but if it's making you money, keep it. Oh, I always promote my own business before anybody else's. Apart from that, it's a good page. It's nice and clear. I just don't know exactly what I'm getting from you. Am I getting PT? Am I getting massage therapy? It can be a little bit confusing when you're diluting the message with 2 things. But overall, I like it. It's clear. It's clean.